FGEN stock analysis Tuesday and onwards. Am I buying? I'm covering all this in this short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. Looking at FibroGen, it's 56 cents and 17.8% down. So where the freaking heck are we heading next? Simple. I'm looking to take things up because it's in a demand zone and I don't care about anything else. My rules must be met though, you know. That doesn't mean that tomorrow I'm specifically buying. No. I've spent 5 figures on courses and mentors. I've called out thousands of great predictions on my YouTube channel for free. And specifically looking at FGEN, look man, like we have this demand. And since we're now in here, the only thing that I'm looking to further do from here is just buy. You know, like it's really that simple. But the big catch is the confirmation must be met, which in this case is simply going to be a double break. Without this double break, there's no reason for me to buy, because then I'm just like, my probabilities are not going to be great, right? So I'm just kind of sticking to something that I've tested before. And if you want to make more money trading in a simple way, just click the first link in the description. That's a free newsletter.